So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So today I have brought latest updates related to the field of education. Now I'm going to tell you in this video what are the things which are going to change for students and teachers in Unlock 4. So as we all know that from September 1 Unlock 4 is going to start. So everybody is thinking what new changes will be implemented by the government keeping in mind this pandemic situation. So although we know that the situation of corona is not improving at all, rather the number of cases is increasing day by day, but still the government has decided that the educational activities should be started now. So first of all, let me tell you that from September 1 to 6 JEE mains exam will be conducted for engineering students. Then on September 13 NEET entrance exam will be conducted for medical students. Apart from these two main exams, two national level exams will also be conducted by universities and colleges. So all the students, those who have filled their forms for these exams, they should start prepping up for them instead of wasting their time. Now another update, another big development is there that since there are no chances of postponement of these exams, so now transport facilities will be provided at the full swing. Means till Unlock 3, transport was restricted, but now the government has made it clear that since the students have to commute from one place to another to go for these entrance exams, so they will not be asked to face any problem related to transport facilities. So now onwards transport facilities will be provided completely. So this is another development. So now we have to see the most important question that everybody has been asking, that whether the schools and colleges will open in Unlock 4 or not. So the answer is that still the central government has not given any nod to open the schools and colleges from September 1. Means our education minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal has made it clear that there is no chance of opening these educational institutions in the near future. So now the thing is that although the educational institutions are not going to happen, but big changes are coming to happen. Means big changes are going to happen for the teachers. So listen these things very carefully, that till now the thing was that the teachers were sitting at their homes and they were conducting their online classes, but from September 1 teachers will be asked to report to their workplaces. Yes, this is a big development, that teachers and other employees will have to report to their duty from September 1. They will take their online classes from the school only. So this is a big news. So all the teachers must also get ready. Now another reason is that many schools are centers of national level entrance exams also. So for that also the schools will need teachers. So it will become important for the schools and colleges to call their teachers on duty from September 1. Here I want to tell you one thing, that in one state, Rajasthan, already government school teachers have been called to the schools. Means they are already on duty in Rajasthan. So these are the latest updates related to this Unlock 4, and the most important thing is that from Unlock 4, from September 1, there will not be any border restrictions. Means no state government will be allowed to restrict any entry from the border of their respective state. Now everybody will be allowed to commute from one state to another, so that the students, those who are going for these entrance exams, they don't face any problem. So all of you share this video with others also, because these are quite new things and very important things. And do subscribe to the channel also, and don't forget to like the video. So thank you everybody.